Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to view task history on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Ensure you have the correct credentials for your workspace. The reason we do this is to gain access to your tasks and their respective histories. Without the right access, you won't be able to view any history at all. Now that we've done that, navigate to the My Tasks section, which is located in the sidebar on the left of your screen. This step is important because it leads you to a comprehensive overview of all your tasks, both completed and ongoing. Next up, select the task whose history you want to view. Click on the task to open the Task Details pane. This helps us because it gives us the information about the task as well as its history. Once you've opened up the task details, look for the Activity section. This is where Asana logs all the activity related to the task, from comments to status changes and everything in between. Let me explain why this matters. It's crucial to understand the progression of a task and to see who did what and when. This not only gives you a complete picture of the task's journey, but also helps in accountability and tracking progress over time. Now, if you want to view the complete history of the task, you must scroll down in the Activity section. Asana automatically loads more activity as you scroll. The reason we do this is to reveal the entire history, not just the most recent activities. And there you have it. That's how you view a task's history in Asana. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly important for managing your tasks effectively and efficiently. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget, keep it organized and stay productive with Asana. Until next time.